and welcome back to AI XB Evolve. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI avatars with an incredible tool, Talking Photos AI. This is a perfect solution for content creators, educators, and marketers, helping bring your ideas to life in a revolutionary and creative way using AI avatar technology. What makes Talking Photos AI stand out? One-time payment, lifetime access. No recurring fees, no monthly charges. Just one payment, and you can use it forever to create amazing AI avatar videos. Unleash creativity with videos up to 5 minutes long. Create short or long videos based on your needs. Advanced lip syncing technology. This AI avatar tool not only syncs lip movements accurately, but also captures tone, rhythm, and vocal emotions, delivering realistic and captivating character visuals. Mobile-friendly support. Easily create and edit videos anytime, anywhere, without the need for a computer. Instant video and character creation. Save time, experiment quickly, and get immediate feedback on your work. How to get started with Talking Photos AI 1. Visit the website and purchase the tool. Use the link provided in the description below to access the homepage. Choose a suitable package. Basic, $49. Includes basic features with lifetime access. All access, $97. Offers full access to advanced features, also with lifetime use. Complete the payment using a compatible account. Enter a valid email address to receive your registration link and instructions. After payment, check your email for activation details and create your account. 2. Create an AI avatar character. Open the app and click Create Video to begin. Select the type of video you want to make, e.g., animal video. In the Aspect Ratio tab, choose your preferred frame size, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. If you want your character to sing, check the box My Character Will Be Singing. Click Create New Character to start designing your AI avatar. 3. In the Generate Character tab, select the character's gender, male or female. Enter a detailed description of your character, such as a small, adorable creature resembling a cherry fruit with bright red skin covered in tiny textured dots like cherry seeds. The character has a crown made of plump, shiny cherries and vibrant green leaves on its head. It has large, sparkling eyes full of curiosity and joy, a warm, friendly smile, and is holding a small branch with cherries. The scene is set in a magical orchard with golden sunlight streaming through, highlighting the character's playful and charming nature. Click Generate to create your character. Note, if you're not satisfied, you can click Generate multiple times to tweak your character until it meets your expectations. Once completed, download the character image if needed. Click Next to proceed. 4. Add voice to your AI avatar. In the Choose Audio tab, under Text to Speech, adjust the following settings. Language, select the desired language. Voice, choose a suitable voice style. Emotions, pick the emotion, happy, sad, angry, etc. Speed, adjust the speech speed. Pitch, modify the pitch high or low. Enter the script text into the right text box. Click Import Speech to integrate the text with the selected settings. Click Play Audio to preview the voice.
Hello and welcome back to AI XB Evolve. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI avatars with an incredible tool, Talking Photos AI. This is a perfect solution for content creators, educators, and marketers, helping bring your ideas to life in a revolutionary and creative way using AI avatar technology.
Alternatively, you can record your own voice in the voice recording section. Upload audio or music files from your device and import audio. Click Next to continue. 5. Export your AI avatar video. In the Render Video tab, enter the project name in the Enter Project Name field. Click Render Video to begin the exporting process. Note, the first render may take up to 20 minutes. Please be patient. 6. Review and edit the video. Go to My Videos to check the created video. Download the video for use or make edits such as reuse the AI avatar character. Change the dialogue or audio if needed. Advanced features. Merge videos. Open Merge videos to combine multiple AI avatar videos. Select the videos you want to merge, enter the project name, and click Merge Videos. Add watermark. Open the Add Watermark tab to include a logo or brand name in your video. Choose Text. Enter your brand name in the watermark text field. Image. Upload a logo image from your computer. Adjust the watermark's position and transparency, then click Render Video to save. Add subtitles. Use the Add Subtitles feature to include captions in your video. With many professional features but very easy to use, plus video audio source language, subtitles type, style, position, alignment, font size, background color, text color, background box opacity, background box full width. Once satisfied, click Add Subtitles. Replace background. Change the video background with a simple color or upload an image from your library. Click Render Video to finalize. Media Library.
Hello and welcome back to AIXB Evolve. Today, we're exploring the powerful world of AI avatars with a focus on one incredible tool, Talking Photos AI. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, this tool promises to revolutionize the way you bring your ideas to life.
Woo! Access the Media Library to manage all uploaded images, audio files, and videos. Unleash your creativity. Once done, you can download your AI avatar video and share it on social media platforms. Continue editing or merging to create a larger project.
Hello and welcome back to AIXB Evolve. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI avatars with an incredible tool, Talking Photos AI. This is a perfect solution for content creators, educators, and marketers, helping bring your ideas to life in a revolutionary and creative way using AI avatar technology.
Ready to create stunning AI avatars with Talking Photos AI? Start now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to AIXB Evolve to stay updated with new AI tools and tips. Hit the notification bell to never miss our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.